Hi guys, in this episode I will show you how to fake ollie. And the fake ollie is kinda easy and kinda simple. And the thing you have to think about is that you're gonna do like the same as you making an ollie. And making an ollie is kinda easy, but if you can't make an ollie, go check out my previous tutorial because I will show you how to ollie in that tutorial. So yeah, you can, but you're always gonna put your fingers in the same position as you do when you ollie, like this, something like this. Then you will ride you will not ride forward as you do with an ollie, you will ride backward, but you will do the same thing as you do with an ollie, like push back the tail and scratch with your index finger. Then the board will like fly up like that. Then it will like tear you, like catch it on your fingers and like. So you're gonna do the same thing as you do with an ollie, but you're gonna do it backward. So place one of your back finger there and then your index finger there. Then you will, instead of ride forward, ride backward, and doing the same thing as you're doing with the ollie. But you have to move your arm in a little bit, in a different move, like more than. Okay, you understand? Then you're gonna ride backward and off the board, scratch with your index finger. The board will land like this, you will catch it on your fingers and go up and down. So it will look like this. Yeah. So yeah, there is a fake ollie. Then you can also do a lot of different fakey tricks like shove it. Almost a kickflip, yeah, but I was going to do that. But you can do kick flips. You can also do 360 pop shove it. I don't know what that was. It was some kind of 360 flip. I don't know. Yeah, but. By the way, you can do a lot of tricks. You can do like all the tricks you can do in ollie. You can do both in fakey mode, like, and nollie mode too. So yeah, and that was a tutorial for how to do fakey ollie with the fingerboard, and I hope you guys liked it. And please subscribe, and yeah. You can also check out the rest of my videos, and then please hit the like button and leave a comment. And thank you guys, I'm so happy I already got 12 subscribers. I've only been doing this for like some weeks now, and it's totally awesome. Thank you guys so much. Bye.